How to convert from Canva to Coreldraw file. So create and prepare your design in Canva. Open Canva and create your design. Ensure that your design is complete and ready for export, right? And so here now just go to the share here, right button on the top right corner, select download, and once you go to the download here, choose PDF print. Now here you can just go and click on PDF print here and click on download, right? Because it's a best compatibility with CorelDRAW, this option ensure that the vector elements are preserved. Now here you can see it has been downloaded. Now just go to the CorelDRAW here, and in CorelDRAW go to the file menu and select open. Now here you have to just go to the file, and once you go to the file here, just go and click on next and close this up. I just will just go to the file and click on open. So you can also use Control plus O. This is a PDF file print here. Click on open. Now it will just get open here. Right, during the import process, you may be prompted to choose, as you can see here, select importer as curves to avoid font issues. So we'll just curves here. Now I think this is it, and just go and click on OK. Now in this way, the Canva file has been we can just open in the CorelDRAW here. Now once the file is open, it's take a little bit of time here, as you can see here the image, right? So let it open here, review your design. You may need to adjust any elements that did not appear properly. Now you can change it, edit it, and this is the way you can convert from Canva to CorelDRAW file. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.